My name is Francesca Urciuoli. I'm a jewelry maker and designer from Italy.
My collection is about an exploration of the Mokume Gane technique.
Mokume Gane comes out of Japan and it's been used since the 17th century to make Japanese swords. Eventually, artists took it to the next level and started making metal objects and also jewelry. In Japanese, Mokume Gane means wood grain, and the reason is because the final products look like exactly wood grain, and I'm going to show you. So here we see the very first step of the process. We have different sheets of metal that usually there are different metals. For example, I have silver and palladium so that I have some contrasts of colors. And by stacking them, like here, I can obtain a sandwich, if you want to call it this way, of metals that eventually is going to be fused either with a torch or with a kiln. This is an example of a stack of metal, also called billet, after being fused with a torch. To have the stack of metals, I will need to hammer it or press it. And I'm going to do this in order to make sure that all the layers are bonded together. Then, what I will need to do is to use the rolling mill to slowly get to the desired thickness. I made this piece of metal and this pattern with this tool, a drill bit. The deeper I go, the more layers are going to be revealed. And the interesting part is to know how deep to drill or to carve. The key point of this collection, in general of my way of working, is to leave some space to unpredictability. By making this jewelry, I would like to raise the question, what can the metal reveal? What's under the surface? It's amazing how, no matter how hard you try, you will never be able to make two pieces that look exactly the same. This means that every time I will make a jewelry piece with Mokume Gane, it will be unique. And this also means that every time I will work with this technique, there will be some kind of surprise seeing the outcome.